Hi. This is a group project for embedded homework number 6. We made a system which allows the user to select values for red, green, and blue light levels and then display it to a Neopixel. To select the color you want to edit, you use one of the push buttons on the side. RB0 for red, 1 for green, and RB2 for blue. Right now, keypad doesn't change anything until we click one of the buttons.
Okay, so then if we hit RB0, it'll select our red, as you can see with the cursor. We'll pick a value of 100 for that. Or 110, that'll work. RB1 lets us change the green. Let's do a value of, say, 75. So then the green turns on, you get a little yellow color. RB2 lets us select blue. Let's set that to 250. And you get a blue type color.
We have a couple different messages that show up. First one is a default if none of the buttons are pressed. It says press RB0 through 2 to input RGB. And as soon as I press one of them, let's say red, the message will change, as well as the cursor moves to red. If too large of a number is inputted, at the moment the number hasn't been fully submitted, so the color doesn't change. But if once I hit the third number, 555 is too large, and so it just goes to 250, which is the max value. To verify that we were getting correct colors, we looked up the RGB for orange, which is 255, 165, and 0. And our max number goes to 250 rather than 255, but it will be close. So we should get. So we set red to 250, turn blue off, and then green to 165. And where do you go? Why don't we try? Should we try green at? Lower the green value. We'll do 70. And you get an orange. Definitely orange.